Hola amigos! Welcome to Cinderella. But before that, I will show you first how does it look like before. So amigos, this is Cinderella's outside looks before. And now, ta-da! I wanted to show you how I did it, but it will be a long video. But I assure you, everything you see, I did it with my bare hands. It's a very good exercise. I had a lot of back aches, pains, but it worth it. Don Pedro and I love sitting here with a cup of tea, resting, relaxing, chatting, and enjoying the view. And we hope whoever stays here, they will enjoy it too. Amigos, Cinderella is not finished yet. What you see is only 40%. It's only the front garden, and even the front garden, I don't think it's finished yet. It's an endless project. And inside, I still have small things to change. And then outside, I think I will put the compost toilet and sink instead of inside, because inside is small space already. And then I will do a dining area, kitchen area, and barbecue corner. So if some of my friends or family wants to experience outdoor living for at least few days, they can stay here and then they can experience it with comfort. I want them to be comfortable. And I hope you will stay tuned for the ending of Story of Cinderella. Thank you all for watching, and maligayang buhay po sa ating lahat. Hasta luego!